The next element here is smart marts. Basically, to work properly, as we talked about before, traditional BI solutions really rely on organizations to move all of their data into a single organized data mart or data warehouse. And this is an essential part of the process to implement the BI solution. The problem is, if you purchase a BI solution, it doesn't come with the technology that helps you move the data and create that mart or warehouse. So basically, they leave you on your own. You're forced to either buy separate, expensive, complicated data integration software that enables you to build the warehouse, and then you still might have to worry about things like marts and cubes, or alternatively, you might have to build the mart manually yourself. With Altisoft, we actually build the data mart for you, and it's an automatic part of the process of configuration of our solution. We basically connect to any data source, our metrics mart component takes over, creates this smart mart, automatically keeps the smart mart up to date, and then that enables us to tap into it with our BI front end and deliver you dashboards and deliver the dashboards and reports that you need. We basically call this thing a smart mart for a number of different reasons. First of all, it delivers any data you need from any data source whenever you need it. So it's really kind of an on-demand type of solution from the perspective of your data is always there when you need it. It automatically updates itself when the data in source systems changes. So there's no need for you to manually go and refresh your data to refresh your mart. It all happens automatically. It offers all the performance and scalability you'll ever need in terms of a solution. It does this using some fairly sophisticated technology, in-memory processing in particular. It manages all of the data acquisition from the source systems in a very intelligent way to minimize the impact on those source systems from a performance standpoint. It's fully optimized and fully dimensioned, so you'll never need to build cubes to perform dimensional analysis, your slicing and dicing features. If you do have an existing warehouse that you've already built, the Smart Mart can work directly with that warehouse. And it also supports a concept that we call master metrics management, which is basically the idea that you basically should be managing the definitions of your corporate metrics, your key performance indicators, in a central place and in a consistent way. So for example, you might have different parts of your organization that need to measure customer satisfaction. And each of those different organizations or different divisions within your company may measure customer satisfaction in a completely different way. When you roll that up, those customer satisfaction metrics, you're not going to get a consistent view because of the inconsistency of the definitions themselves. Altisoft actually enables you to define what those definitions are and ensure consistency across your organization if that's something that you need to do. The third element of Information Advantage is process excellence, and I'll talk about this over the next couple of slides. Process excellence is essentially using a deeper understanding of how your business processes are performing in order to gain a competitive edge for your business. It's important to understand that ordinary business intelligence doesn't have a sense or an understanding of what a business process is. Ordinary BI is designed to look at data in a static way. It can help you analyze your data records, but it can't show you a dynamic view of the activity that ties these records together, how your business exists in a process-driven world. Altisoft is designed to do this. We actually have a specific component, a process state engine that enables us to measure business process. And what this enables organizations to do is drive a significant amount of competitive advantage in a number of different ways. First of all, it enables them to more accurately manage and optimize their employee performance and their team performance. It enables organizations to pursue strategies like Six Sigma around around quality improvement of both products and services. It enables organizations to identify those processes that are in particular causing problems. The processes that are the most expensive for them, the processes that are the most prone to failure. It enables organizations to break down various silos between different operational systems and understand inter-organizational performance, where a business process might exist across multiple organizations in an enterprise. We can understand how that process is performing across those barriers. Process understanding enables organizations to enhance their customer responsiveness, to target particular metrics and improve customer satisfaction. And then finally, supply chain is another area where process becomes very important in terms of enabling an organization to streamline its supply chain operations. So how does Altosoft do it? Altosoft is the only business intelligence solution specifically designed, as I mentioned before, to measure and analyze business processes. And the way that we do it is with this particular component we have that nobody else has for measuring business processes, called our process state engine. We measure business processes in two different ways. First of all, we understand process performance. And here on the right-hand side, you can see a process flow diagram that sort of shows how processes are performing for a particular client origination process in a financial services example. The idea behind process performance is first and foremost that we're monitoring the status of individual process instances in real time. So a process instance is basically, for example, this client origination process, bringing a new client on board, adding one particular new client. Now, you may want to understand how that particular process for that particular new client is unfolding as it goes through the various stages of the sequence here. But you may also want to look at that in a holistic sense. So how at every stage is my organization performing for all of the processes that we're going through? So we enable not only the individual monitoring, but also the roll-up monitoring that enables us to track the time to complete a process or parts of a process. And then we enable the measurement of the performance efficiency of groups and individuals as they participate at each particular step in that process. We also can monitor and analyze process quality. Process quality is about proactively identifying and resolving individual process problems as they occur. So if there's a particular exception to a particular client that we're bringing on board, maybe for some reason a particular approval isn't reached for that client, we can resolve that proactively or notify the organization that there is a problem. We can identify the process bottlenecks and inefficiencies. So if a lot of clients are getting stuck at a particular part of the process, we can send up a red flag and say, we need to increase our client service by potentially diverting more resources to performing this particular task within this process. And then finally, we can identify process failures and seek root causes for those failures so that we can actually drive a strategy of identifying where our best processes are organizationally, where our worst processes are organizationally, learn from the good, improve the bad. Basically, if you think about it, the idea of business process intelligence bridges the gap that traditionally has existed between the world of business intelligence and business process management. And Altosoft really has some unique functionality in this area. Many organizations have gone off and created strategies proactively to become more process-oriented. They've created process centers of excellence. They've looked at adopting business process management technologies. But business process management only solves part of the problem. Business process management automates certain processes within the organization. It doesn't necessarily give you visibility into how processes that aren't automated by a BPM solution are performing. That's what BPI does. BPI fills in the gaps and gives you a holistic view of how your organization is performing from a process standpoint that nothing else can deliver. So organizations that are driven to become more process focused have really a significant amount to gain by looking at business process intelligence as a discipline and as a technology to adopt.